Okay, question number 1. Mrs. Liu placed 3 beans in a jar each time her class received a compliment. The class wrote the rule to show how to find the number of beans placed in the jar. It says compliments times 3 equals number of beans. The class began an input-output table for the rule. Okay, record an expression and the number of beans for 2 and 3 compliments to complete the table. So that would be 2 times 3 equals 6, and 3 times 3 equals 9. Okay. How many beans did Mrs. Liu's class receive for 19 compliments? So that would be 19 times 3. And 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5, so that would be 57 beans. 57 beans. Okay, Greg creates this pattern rule. It says triangle divided by 8 equals square. Use Greg's rule to complete the table. Okay, Greg's pattern. It's got 3,408 triangles. So what we need to do is 3,408 divided by 8. So 3,408 divided by 8. Okay, 8 doesn't go into 3, but 8 does go in 34, since 4 times. 8 times 4 is 32. We subtract, you get 2. Bring down the 0. 8 goes into 20 twice. 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract, you get 4. Okay, then we go ahead and bring down the 8. 8 goes in 48 6 times, and 8 times 6 is 48. And you get 0. So that means in this one, we're 3,408 triangles. That's going to be 426 of the squares, rhombuses or whatever. 426. Okay. Okay. Now on the next one, you can see 3,416. So this would be 3,416 divided by 8. And I can see this is only 8 more than the 3,408, so that would be 427, and 3,424 divided by 8 would be 428. So, next part says if triangle equals 400, then the square or the rhombus would be what? So that would be 400 divided by 8. And 8 goes into 40 5 times. And it looks like it's going to be 50 times exactly, so that would be 50. Okay, now the next one is a little bit different. It says if the square or the rhombus equals 25, then triangle is how many? So you would do the reverse operation to figure that one out. That would be 25 times 8. And I'm guessing it's going to be probably half of 400, because 25 is half of 50. So we could probably say 200. Let's go ahead and work it out anyway. 8 times 5 is 40. And 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 would be 20. So yeah, that's 200. Question number 3. Okay, Mason begins a new exercise program. He wants to increase the number of setups he completes each day. Mason writes his rule to show the relationship between the number of days he exercises and the number of setups he plans to do each day. The number of days plus 4. equals the number of setups. Finish the table to match Mason's rule. So he's going to do plus 4, plus 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. He's doing 5 setups on the first day. So plus 4 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So he's going to do 7 setups on that day. And the 5th day, plus 4, plans on doing 9 setups that day. Question number 4. Gina and her brother Cleo writes math facts for homework every night. Because she is younger, Gina always writes 5 fewer facts than Cleo. Gina creates an input-output table to show the relationship between the number of facts she and Cleo write each night. Record the missing expression and output values on Gina's table. So she writes 5 fewer, so that'd be minus 5. Minus 5. And 10 minus 5 is 5, so she did 5 facts. Minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. So she did 6 facts. And minus 5. That means that she did 7 facts. Okay, write an expression that can be used to find the number of math facts Gina writes if Cleo writes 31 facts. Then solve the expression to find the answer. So the expression would be 31 minus 5. I do it over here, 31 minus 5. Means I need to regroup. That'll be a 2, and that becomes a 1. So 5 from 11 is 6, and then 0 from 2 is 2, so that would be 26 facts.